Hello guys, we are under the woods. Why are you scared? What? What?
Making a video, talk loud.
Why?
I can't hear you.
Why they can?
I'm scared.
This is how it's gonna be like when we go home to Philippines.
Oh, it's so quiet though.
Sabi ng anak ko, lakasan ko raw yung boses ko. Ayan.
What? I'm not bossy. Mom, we go that way.
Keep going. Follow the trail.
We go over there. Is that a snake on your way?
No. Don't do that.
Mom, we lead over there.
No. Here.
It leads over there, doesn't it?
Oop. Yeah. I think tomorrow we have to come here early.
Why?
We're gonna have a picnic. It's gonna be a nice day.
You shall not touch it.
Why? What's that?
It's a stick. And it says, why? Why are we going here?
Tomorrow.
Every day, no.
No, here. Just follow it. What are you scared of?
Where's the...
That's we're going home. Reklamador kayo ni akong mga partner sa sa akong walkathon. Where you going, Alex? No, here.
Yeah, I'm just going that way.
Oh. Be careful.
The jungle.
Yeah, we are in the jungle.
No, we're not, Mom. Nice. Nice clickbait.
Nagreklamo si Bunso kay he's hungry daw.
Hungry? No, I'm sure.
Mura po niyang inahan basta hungry sa puton.
I'm thirsty.
Thirsty. What did I said before we left the house? Ouch! What's that?
This is not the way to home, Mum.
This is.
Yeah, that's all the story, Mum. And that was story.
Oh. See? There's a park there. We are on top, away from everybody. Away from everybody. No. Here. What's that? Oh,
Oh, it's a dead
rat. Mouse. Don't take that, huh?
What's that? Oh. I feel like a snap. Yeah, that was me.
Squirrel. Over there. You see the squirrel, guys? Look at the squirrel.
Uh-oh.
What's up?
I think there's a squirrel above us.
Oh. May tao.
Okay, let's go. We go left.
Where is the squirrel? There. Oh, it's gone. Over there. Can you see that squirrel? Look,
Where?
it's there.
Oh, there!
Oh,
Don't get spotted. He's gonna come for us.
Vibrating?
Oh my god.
vibrating. No more. It's gone in. Okay.
You saw?
Where? Oh, there's a tiny one too. Look.
You can climb it.
I can climb up that. Oi! Not working.
Oh wait. There you go.
Hmm.
Mom, you just stick one in your head.
Move.
Apurado kay niyo kay mukhaon na puning Nutella.
Hello. Wait, where?
Just follow the trail.
No.
Just follow. It will go down. Yes. Oop. Careful.
Look this way.
No. That's going to the town.
Yeah, I want to go in town.
Why? You're going home after this?
No scanning nose.
Sorry?
No scanning nose.
Scanning. What do you mean?
There's a shark. Yeah.
Ang tambok oh.
Oh,
Okay. We'll go this way. Just follow the trail. You know the importance of having a little workout?
He's having everything.
Long life is the equivalent to it. Every day. Yeah. If you exercise every day.
What?
What's that?
It's big. Must be a big crow.
Yeah. What?
My eye. Yay! Oh, this way now. This way.
This I want you boys to grow up active. I don't want you to be lazy.
We've been in the walk for an hour.
Sorry?
It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock, Mum.
I don't want you to grow up like other English teenagers. You know, they just stayed at home playing all day with no discipline.
They're mostly just out all the time.
Yeah.
This way, Alex.
I want you to be more active, and it's good
Oh, yes! It's sure, finally.
because we can't go abroad, you know. So this is our staycations.
What?
It's staycations.
We go back home.
Vacation. We can't go on vacation.
Is that Kishon? Is
So we are going to staycations.
Is that Kishon? Is not.
You know
Kishon. Do you want an
The
explanation?
lady on the chair on the bench. That would be me when I grow old,
Mom,
alone.
Mom, move it all of there over to here.
Yeah, we'll do it again tomorrow.
Can we just walk on the canal?
Yeah, that's where we're going now.
And is that Kishon? Is not a vacation. Do you want an explanation?
You don't need an explanation now. I know.
By the way, I've been holding this tummy ache.
Why? What do you need? Toilet?
No.
Toilet?
The
Or
explanation has nothing to do with multiplication.
I'm gonna. Oh, we missed it. The canal, the bridge.
Bad location.
Bad location. Okay, you can roll down. Go up. Go up. Give me your bag. Give me the bag. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Ready? Go. Yeah. Go then. Together. Where are you going? Look at the other one. Oh my god. One more? Can you cover your tambok? Gihangos. No more?
One more.
One more. Okay, then we'll go home. Straight to the shower and then you'll have your tea. Yan yung reward nila for walking with me for nearly an hour.
Coming down.
You should know where he's going.
That's it now. The bridge is ready now. Right, we're going home now, guys.